Let's take a look at the chart for Bitcoin. Okay, so here's what we're looking at. We had resistance right here, resistance, support, support. I was watching this little channel pattern like that. We got a breakout to the downside. What I was doing is targeting from the top to the bottom of this channel, something like this, dragging that to the breakout. I was looking at a target of around 41,500. I had a limit order at that level right there. We came down, we hit my limit order, that got filled. Now what I'm thinking, or what I'm hoping, is we could get some support right here and push up. If we zoom out a little bit, let's zoom out. We're on the daily time frame right now. And we had support right here and support right here. We had this uptrend going like this, and that's the uptrend that I'm looking at right here. What I'm thinking is hopefully we can hold support on this uptrend. But if not, if we break through it going to the downside, the next level that I'll be looking at is 30,000, this previous support down here. We could do another horizontal line, maybe something like this. And like I said, this is sitting around 29,922, but I'd probably be looking at 30,000 just because it's a nice psychological level. If we zoom in a little bit more, we can see that it wicked down even further though. It wicked down right here to around 29,200. So I don't know, like I'm saying, I still think we have the potential to hold on this uptrend. We haven't broke below it yet. We kind of got support on it right now. And like I said, we have support right here, watching this uptrend. If we break below it, then I'll be watching this level right here. I guess the other thing we could do is delete these trend lines because we pretty much hit our target. And the main thing we're probably focusing on right now is we have resistance right here, and resistance right here. Let's go ahead and draw a trend line that's going down, something like this. So until we break this downtrend going to the upside, I'm assuming that's going to give us trouble, and I'm going to be looking at these previous support levels. We just hit my limit order right there, which was this previous support right here, and if we break this trend line going to the downside, the next one that I'll be looking at is this one right here. This one's sitting at around 30,000. And the one that we just hit is sitting at around 41,500. In general, let's see how long it takes for us to break this downtrend going to the upside. Hopefully we do it right here, but it is possible that we keep going down and we have to maybe test this one, and hopefully we do it there if we keep going down. If you have any questions, check out my Discord. We have a cool little community. We just hit a little over 100. Come post crypto stuff, or we could talk about crypto and stuff like that if you have any questions. If you're interested in getting daily updates on your favorite altcoins, check out my Patreon. I'll look at charts specifically for you, and I'll show you what target I'm looking at. I'm not a financial advisor or a financial professional, but I can tell you what my opinion is, and lately I have been hitting a lot of my targets. If you use Twitter, you should go check out my profile on here. I haven't really pushed it, or I haven't really talked about it too much on my channel, and I don't really have that many followers. So if you guys want to go hit up my Twitter, that'd be cool. I don't know if anyone uses it or not, but I like to post my videos on here. Maybe you guys could retweet them if you guys want to be down. But yeah, I thought I'd mention it just because I'm not sure if you guys know about it. If you're new to technical analysis and looking at charts, check out this playlist right here. It'll help you get started looking at TradingView and help you follow along with my videos. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one.